Hello students, good morning. Hope you are doing good. Till yesterday we covered total 5 parts of a lesson called Sunny Morning, and we discussed the page number 42, yesterday's one, till page number 42 we discussed. So before, when we go to the lesson, open your textbook, because the way I am reading and I am mentioning the page number 42, 43, 44, according to that page number if you refer, it would be easy for you to understand. So that's why, as I am telling you today, yesterday we completed page number 42, and today I will be doing page number 43 and then 44. So this will be for the today's class. This will be for the today's class. So this is day 6. This is day 6. It means in your YouTube, when you listen, you find part 6. Okay? So the lesson is Sunny Morning. A sunny morning. Written by Serafin Alvarez Quinta. Okay. So where we left yesterday, on page number 42, from there we will begin. Laura and Gonzalo, the two old lovers who met after 70 years in one of the parks of Madrid. When they met like strangers, began fighting. Then the pinch of snuff, I have given you the word, the pinch of snuff. Pinch of snuff. Snuff is kind of an earbud we use in the ear. So this is a snuff we use it to the nose, 2 sneeze at a time. The pinch of snuff brings the friendly conversation between these two, Gonzalo and Laura. Don Gonzalo. In Spain, Don meaning is sir. In India, we say sir. That is there, they say Don. And Donna meaning is ma'am. We say miss. That is the respected term in Spain. So, Donna Laura, Don Gonzalo. But when they met as a stranger, fought, continued to stay beside, talking, and then now the snuff has brought the friendly conversation between two. But when they come to know they are the real lovers, they come to know they are the old lovers, they come to know they used to like each other during their young time, now they are trying to change their identities. So, Gonzalo says that he is the cousin. He is the cousin. Whereas Laura says she is the friend. Both do not want to reveal their identity. So, because of that, he says cousin and she says as a friend. Now, as a cousin and as a friend, what do they say? Let's read on the page number 43. Sorry, it's not 43, page number 44. I will change here 44 and this one I will make it 45. Yesterday we saw that for the page number 43. Okay, so I am reading here from the beginning. As you can see, 44 and 45. What are these two page numbers? We will see. Let us see. So till here we have seen that Gonzalo is from Valencia. Laura is also from Valencia, but there is one place called Maricela. I mean, example, if we have a Bidar, in Bidar there are so many areas. Old city is also one type of area. Shivnagar is also one type of area. So, complete one place called Valencia. In that Valencia, a small area named is Maricela. Laura belonged to Maricela, and during that time, to see Laura, he used to go often. He used to visit that place. And she says that one of the most beautiful girl he has ever seen, and that girl name was Laura Lorente. Now, unfortunately, after 70 years, the woman who sat beside him is the Laura, but only the look had changed. So, because of that, he is not able to identify her. So, through his mouth, Laura come to know, oh, he is the man who they used to love. So now she's changed her identity being called as a friend. Now, when she is talking as a friend, why he will be introduced as a Gonzalo? He also says, I am the cousin of that Gonzalo friend. Now, what has happened? So one day, Gonzalo, before 70 years, when they were young, when they wanted to marry, before 70 years, one day, Gonzalo was waiting to Laura under the window and he was listening to her sing. Unfortunately, unexpectedly, a merchant arrived there. Merchant, the whom Laura's parents wanted to marry. Merchant arrived there. When he saw Gonzalo, that under the window of Laura, he was seeing her, then there was a fighting. There was a duel. In your book, the word is used, duel. So in English, duel meaning is what? Fight. So this is the word used in our book, duel. And there was a duel. So because of that duel, what happened? Gonzalo insulted the merchant. Then Laura says that one. Oh, it means it was your cousin. Gonzalo says, yes, he was my cousin, and there was a quarrel. It means there was a fighting, and there was a big fighting. Then Laura, and after all, big fighting. Gonzalo said, yes, you are correct. But what happened one day at the sunrise on the bench, and the merchant was badly wounded, my cousin had to conceal himself for a few days and later to fly. Gonzalo says, because my friend bet him a lot. Then afterwards he had to fly because locality people will definitely beat him. Because don't know who was the merchant, and Gonzalo, without reason, when he bet him, then he ran away. Because it was a police case afterwards. So he says he ran away to some different place. And Laura says, you seem to know the story very well. It means the way you are talking, as if you know the story very well. Maybe it is you are the person. But yes, I know the story, but what about you? Whether you don't know the story. Then Laura says, I have explained that a friend repeated to me. I don't know anything. I just only know what my friend told me long ago. Then Gonzalo, as my cousin did to me, even what I know, what my cousin told her, same thing I am telling to you. One thing what you understand here. गोंजालो एंड लोरा दोनों वही हैं, लेकिन वो अपने कैरेक्टर्स को रिवील नहीं करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो नहीं दोनों ने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है, लेकिन वो अभी बता रहा है कि वो मेरा कजिन था और लोरा बता रही है वो मेरे फ्रेंड थी, लेकिन दोनों एक्चुअली में वही है। इसलिए जब लोरा ने बातों को चेंज किया तो गोंजालो भी दूसरे फॉर्म में बता रहा है, लेकिन दोनों कैरेक्टर वही है जो 70 साल पहले जो दोनों एक दूसरे शादी करना चाहते थे, जो पसंद क्या करते थे अभी नाटकीय वे में, क्योंकि वो आइडेंटिफाई तो किए हैं लेकिन बताना चाहते नहीं है, झूठ बोल रहे एक दूसरे को। इन दैट वे वी आर गोइंग टू हेड। तो अभी हमने देखा टिल नाउ वी हैव सीन दैट जब वो यंग में था तो उसके शादी दूसरे व्यक्ति के साथ में होने वाला था। एट दैट टाइम गोंजालो वहाँ पे आ जाता है, लेकिन वो कहता है मैं रहता, वो मेरा कजिन था। तो वहाँ पे वो दोनों में फाइटिंग हुआ, तो बहुत मारने के बाद गोंजालो उसको मारा, फिर वो कहीं भाग गया क्योंकि पुलिस केस वगैरह हो सकता था। इस वजह से उसने क्या किया, दूसरा गाँव भाग गया। वो भागने के बाद कहीं दूसरा की शादी कर लिया होगा, लेकिन अभी वो बता रहा है वो मेरा कजिन था। तो लोरा पूछती है अच्छा तो वो तुम्हारा कजिन था, तो तुम्हें देखने से तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि तुम्हें मतलब वही है या फिर तुम्हें कोई और है, ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे तुम वही है। तो गोंजालो कहता है नहीं मैंने तुम्हें वही बता रहा हूँ जो मेरे कजिन ने बताया। तो उसी तरह से लोरा भी कहती है मैं भी तुम्हें वही बता रही हूँ जो मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे बोला था। तो अब क्या कहते हैं दोनों नाटकीय वे में, लेट अस रीड। तो गोंजालो says why my cousin never forget her. It means he says that my cousin was very good and he will never forget Laura. Laura पूछती है how do you know, तुम कैसे जानते हो, how do you know about of this conduct। अभी गोंजालो स्टोरी बताता है, झूठ का स्टोरी बना के बताता है लोरा को। क्या कहता है, well I will tell you, the young man took refuge in my house, fearful of the consequences of a duel with a person highly regarded in that locality. He says, wait, I will tell you. One day, what happened that the Don Gonzalo, my cousin, fought with that merchant, and the merchant was wounded. So after that, he had to fly. Then after flying, where did he go? उधर से वो कहाँ गया? From there he went to Seville. यानी बहुत दिनों तक वो गोंजालो के घर में ही छुपा हुआ था. तो वहाँ से एक महीना होने के बाद he went to Seville. एक जगह का नाम है ये पेरिस में. From there he went to Seville, and from Seville he went to Madrid. From Seville he went to Madrid. He went to Madrid. These two are the places names. They may ask you for 1 mark in your exam. Places names. After the duel, where did the cousin fly? Any fighting होने के बाद उनका cousin कहाँ गया? First आएगा Seville. मैं दूसरे से पूछा जाएगा from the Seville, where did the cousin go? Seville से कौन सा जगह पे चला गया? And that word is Madrid. ठीक है? In this way. तो places names को याद रखो. As I told you, two, three places names. One is Maricela. Maricela is a place belong to Lora, and Valencia is a place belong to Gonzalo. Apart from these two places, right? तो कहता है, from that he was at my home. From my home he went to Seville, and from Seville he went to Madrid. अब Madrid से क्या हुआ? What happened? He wrote Lora many letters. Some of them in verse, कुछ शायरीज के फॉर्म में, in terms of some शायरीज and all, he wrote many letters to Lora. कहाँ से? मैड्रिड जाने के बाद उन्होंने लेटर लिखा लोरा को. But what happened? Undoubtedly, they were intercepted by her parents. They were intercepted. Parents used to take the letter, they used to read and tear up and put in a trash can. They used to throw into the trash can, the dustbin. For she never answered at all. It means जो लेटर गोंजालो लिखा करते थे लोरा के लिए, वो लेटर लोरा तक कभी आए ही नहीं, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ही दे लेते, पढ़ते, उनको काट के फेंक देते. तो इस वजह से एक भी रिप्लाई गोंजालो को नहीं गया जब वो मैड्रिड जाके लेटर लिखा करता था लोरा को. From there what happened? Gonzalo then in despair, तो गोंजालो को लगा कि शायद उसका शादी हुआ होगा, क्योंकि रिप्लाई नहीं आया. So believing his people lost to him forever, joined the army. So he thought maybe that woman or that particular Laura is not interested in him. ये सोच के उसने शादी किया रहेगा, ये सोच के आर्मी ज्वाइन किया. उस समय में फाइटिंग हो रहा था. From that place he went to Africa. Now see, from Madrid he went to Africa. From Madrid he went to Africa, and in Africa there trench meaning is here war. Trench meaning is here war. तो वहाँ पे there was a war between Africa and the Spain. A glorious death, grasping the flag of Spain and whispering the name of his beloved Lora. तो कहता है holding the flag of Spain, स्पेन का जो फ्लैग है वो वार में उनके हाथ में था, और बार बार लोरा का नाम ले रहा था, और जो है वो बिना कदर किए ही, अपने आप का बिना कुछ न सोचे, he is moved ahead and died himself. तो उतना वो लव करता था लोरा को. In that way he is telling the story. And ये जो स्टोरी है ये अभी उसने वहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है लोरा को झूठ बोलने के लिए. ओके, क्योंकि अगर मरा हुआ होता वॉर में तो फिर ये बोलने वाला कौन है? So because of that he is lying her. तो लोरा कहती है what an atrocious lie. It means oh my God, अगर झूठ बोलना है तो कोई तुमसे सीखे. She is telling herself. वो अपने आप में साइड में बोल रही है, क्योंकि उसको मालूम है गोंजालो वही है, राइट? तो गोंजालो कहता है I could not have killed myself more gloriously. यानी कहता है उतना अच्छा जितना मेरा कजिन जो मर गया है उसका बहुत धूमधाम से वेलकम हुआ था गांव में जब उसका डेड बॉडी आया था, क्योंकि वो शहीद का दर्जा उसको मिला था. लेकिन साइड में अपने आप को कहता है लेकिन मैं उतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ. he tells himself, not to the Laura. तो लॉरा कहती है, you must have been prostrated by the calamity. His condition was like that. तो शायद उस वजह से Gonzalo is no more. Gonzalo, yes, as if you were my cousin, I presume though, on the contrary that Laura in a short time was chasing butterflies in garden, indifferent to regret. Gonzalo asks question to Laura. Girls are like this. लड़कियां ऐसे ही होते हैं. They will follow someone in the love and afterwards they will marry with someone else. वो बाद में किसी और के साथ में शादी करके चले जाते हैं. और वो अभी तक nicely garden में maybe she chasing the butterfly. Okay, तो Laura क्या कहती है? No. She was not like that. She was very different woman. Maybe सब लड़कियां वैसे होंगे, लेकिन Laura वैसे नहीं थी. तो Gonzalo कहता है, women's way लड़कियां ऐसे ही रहते हैं. तो अभी Laura क्या झूठ बोलने वाली है? We are going to read that part. Now Laura says, अभी उनके बातों को प्रूव करना है, लड़कियां वैसे नहीं है. Then what does Laura say? Even if it were women's way, शायद लड़कियां होंगे वैसे, maybe there are so many girls, but the silver maiden was not that disposition. It means the silver maiden, Laura जो मेरे फ्रेंड हुआ करते थे, Laura ने जो मेरे फ्रेंड हुआ करते थे, उनका नाम सिल्वर मेडन करके वो कहते थे, वो वैसा नहीं थी. वो फिर वो कैसे थी? My friend awaited news for days, months, a year, and no letter came. She said, my friend, not 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years waited. लेकिन एक भी रिप्लाई तुम्हारे कजिन की तरफ से नहीं आया. Then one afternoon, just at sunset, as the first stars were appearing, she was seen to leave the house and with quickening steps went her way toward the beach. एक दिन उनके फ्रेंड को लगा कि without friend of Gonzalo, how to live. तो उसने सोचा पैक करके घर बार छोड़ के कहीं चला जाए और कहीं जाके सुसाइड कर ले. लेकिन उस तरह से नहीं की. तो फिर क्या किया उसने? She was seen to have the house. Quickening steps went her way towards the beach where her beloved had risked his life. Every evening, वो क्या करती? कहीं समंदर के किनारे जाती. Every evening she used to visit the seashore, and on the seashore, आपने देखा होगा seashore के ऊपर कुछ लोग नाम लिखते हैं, मिटाते हैं और waves आते हैं, and then कुछ अलग-अलग लोग वहाँ पे कुछ खेलते हैं. In that way, हर शाम को बीच के पास जाती लोरा और वहाँ पे गोंजालो का और इनका, यानी यहाँ पे वो गोंजालो नहीं बता रही है, वहाँ पे बता रही है मेरी कजिन और वो बता रहा है मेरा दोस्त. तो उसका नाम वहाँ पे लिखती थी और वेव्स आते मिटाते. तो यही वो शाम तक करती till in the evening. She wrote me on the sand and then sat down upon a rock, her gaze fixed upon the horizon. The waves murmured the eternal theory and slowly crept out the rock where the maiden sat. The tide rose with the boom and swept her out of sea. यानी शाम होने तक, रात होने तक वो उधर ही बैठती, बार-बार लिखती, मिटाती. और शाम के समय में, especially in the night, the waves of flow increases because it's a night time. समंदर के किनारे आप हमेशा जाकर देखो, इवनिंग होने से पानी ज़्यादा आ जाता है समंदर में. तो जो लोग कहते हैं उसको, जो आजू बाजू वहाँ पे जो लोग थे कहते थे पानी ज़्यादा हो रहा है, लड़की अपने घर चले जाओ. लेकिन वो अपने घर नहीं जाती. तो फिर अभी वो यहाँ पे झूठ बोल रही है. वो उधर ही एक दिन उसके ही याद में उधर ही बैठी रही और एक ऐसा पानी का वेव आया और वो पानी का वेव उसको समंदर में लेके गया और वो मर गई. Who says this story? Laura telling to Gonzalo. अभी Gonzalo is surprising. Good heavens, हे भगवान कैसी औरत है, कितना झूठ बोलती है. लेकिन उसको ही मालूम हो गया कि यही Laura है, यानी वही वो फ्रेंड है. तो Laura कहती है, fishermen of that shore who often tell the story affirm that it was a long time before the waves washed away that name written on the sand. He will not go ahead of me decorating my own funeral. फिशरमैन जब वहाँ पे आए थे उसको वहाँ पे भगाने के लिए, तो फिर वो कहती है कि आप उधर ही रुक जाओ क्योंकि मेरा मरने का समय आ गया है. अगर आपको कुछ करना ही है तो प्लीज मेरे डेड बॉडी को लेके जाके मेरे घर पे दे दो। तो गुंजानो कहता है शी लाइज वर्स देन आई डू, यानी ये तो औरत होके मेरे से भी ज्यादा झूठ बोलती थी वो। Laura says, poor Laura, poor Gonzalo. In this way, on the page number 45, 43, 44 and 45 we have completed today. And the next page 46 and 47 we will see in the next class. When you are reading it, please hold the book and the page number what I have done on the board so that you can understand the story very well. Thank you guys. Have a good day ahead. See you tomorrow.